Warm welcome back, tribe. Today we are going to be making rice cauliflower fiesta. Guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share. The ingredients for this one are not difficult to come by at all, which is what I try to do with these short recipes that I am sharing with you on this channel. So for this one, we need cauliflower. Cauliflower is the star ingredient, so you can use it fresh. You can get fresh cauliflower or you can buy it frozen. So I used one head of the cauliflower, used a knife to create my rice cauliflower. If you have gadgets such as a food processor, you can use that to make your rice cauliflower or just buy it frozen. In addition, I'm also going to use bell peppers, tomatoes and onions. Use the vegetables that you have on hand. Guys, I'm going to be cooking this in the oven, so I have everything lined up on a baking tray, and I am going to be adding some sardines. You can substitute the sardines with any other kind of fish that you have, but I like to go with things like sardines or salmon because of the omega-3 fatty acids, which we know are great for your health. Of course, we are also going to season our dish so it is not bland. Try to use something that is salt-free and MSG-free. I like to use Mrs. Dash. If you don't have that, you can use whatever herbs that you have, some pepper, white or black pepper, and then some salt. And you can drizzle some olive oil if you don't want to use the oil that comes with the sardine. I am going to be cooking everything in the oven, but if you have an air fryer, you can use that as well. It's been cooking for about 15 minutes now. Just checking. I'm going to stir it up and finish cooking it. And our rice cauliflower fiesta is almost ready. This entire thing took me less than 30 minutes. 10 minutes to do the prep work and then stuck it in the oven, and 20 minutes later, I have a beautiful meal. Healthy eating does not have to be complicated. It is just put veggies together, throw in some proteins, and there you go. If you have something like an oven or an air fryer, it makes the whole process a lot easier. So never be afraid to invest in gadgets in the kitchen that can make it easier for you to eat healthy. Remember to always choose options that love you right back. It is important that you not only love what you eat, but make sure that what you are eating loves you right back. And most of the times this will be something that is high in fiber, high in protein, from natural sources, and so on and so forth. Until next time, guys, remember to eat healthy. Don't go without giving this video a thumbs up for more short and simple recipes for fat loss, for health, for longevity, and so on and so forth. Love you guys. Bye bye.